We live in a world where the efficiency of modern traffic is inevitably overshadowed by countless underlying dangers. On a global scale, an average of over 3,000 people die in road crashes every single day. Not to mention injuries caused by accidents and crimes, leaving countless wrecked dreams and broken families. What if a large portion of these could have been prevented? Let's imagine a future where technology is able to precisely target potential dangers and prevent such heartbreaking accidents. Streamax is the firm believer of such a future. Powered by our vision and hard work, we aim at delivering a safer and more efficient journey for everyone to anywhere. We have worked for years on building a strong mobile surveillance service network that combines R&D, manufacturing, sales, and technical support. As of today, we have proudly covered every province in China and majority of the continents all over the world. We are visionaries who invest in tomorrow, so more than 10% of our sales revenues each year are contributed into R&D. We fight hard to identify potential safety hazards and come up with industrial-leading solutions that attend to your needs ahead of time. When our clients call for our expertise to solve a problem, failure is never an option. For the past 16 years, we have grounded in the segment market of mobile surveillance solutions. With our dedication and creativity, we are recognized as one of the worldwide leaders of the industry. As the age of artificial intelligence alters every aspect of human living, we are the pioneer to embrace the change. By developing cutting-edge technologies such as cloud computing, deep learning, and machine vision, we have taken one step further in our everlasting drive to safely connect you and your next destination. At Streamax, we eagerly grasp growing opportunities instead of being seized by ongoing problems. But we would always remember that the foundation of our success is also deeply rooted in our perpetual pursuance of quality and reliability. For the years we've been here, we've always grown fast. Over 150 patents worldwide, and second place in global market share are just stepping stones. We have high hopes to do more and be more, all because of the people of Streamax. Over 1,000 dedicated team members with passion and persistence, aiming at the same ultimate goal: keeping our end users safe and our clients satisfied. So we are ready for the world of tomorrow, where science and technology reshape human imaginations and bring on opportunities and challenges like never before. When we will embrace new revolutions, explore unknown territories, and break invisible boundaries. The future starts here. Streamax. Your safety. Our mission.